Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce, and here's what's happening with product assembly on October 7th. The Assembly Show is coming to Rosemont. Researchers automate disassembly of EV batteries. A robot plays badminton. And for our top story, Deere Company wins our Assembly Plant of the Year. And finally, an electronics assembler copes with an unusual pest. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our sponsor, Motion Index Drives, a leading manufacturer of rotary, linear, and multi-axis precision indexing devices. Motion Index Drives. Rotary index tables, precision link conveyors, weld positioning systems, tool tray shuttles, robot transfer units, and much more through your customized specifications. Learn more at www.motionindexdrives.com. For our first story, some 155 exhibitors will display the latest technology and services at the Assembly Show later this month. The show will take place October 21st through the 23rd at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont, Illinois, near Chicago's O'Hare Airport. Suppliers will demonstrate the latest assembly automation, fastening tools, robots, conveyors, software, workstations, adhesives and dispensing, and test and inspection. The event will also feature 42 presentations on topics ranging from robotic screwdriving to artificial intelligence. The Assembly Show will be co-located with SMTA International, which features the newest technology for electronics assembly and testing. One badge provides access to both shows. Researchers at Centria University in Finland are applying AI and robotics to automate the process of disassembling EV batteries. Their system dismantles batteries in two phases, from the battery pack to the modules, and then from the modules to individual cells. The system consists of a 6-axis robot mounted on a linear track above a table. Guided by 3D vision and AI, the robot autonomously detects and removes components from the pack. Various tools enable the robot to remove screws, connectors, wiring, and covers. The system can identify batteries from individual manufacturers, so it automatically selects the correct disassembly program. Researchers from ETH Zurich in Switzerland have taught a 4-legged robot to play badminton, including precise arm movements, quick reflexes, and nimble footwork. The researchers developed a control system that coordinates the leg movements, strokes, and camera view. The robot tracks the shuttlecock with 2 cameras, predicts its flight trajectory, and navigates to the right spot to intercept and return shots. And now for today's top story. Deere Company's factory in Davenport, Iowa is our 2025 Assembly Plant of the Year. The factory might be 51 years old, but it's loaded with state-of-the-art assembly technology. Here to tell us more is Senior Editor Austin Weber. Austin?
Deere Company is one of the oldest manufacturers in the United States. While the company traces its roots back to the early 19th century, it's miles ahead of the competition when it comes to adopting 21st century technology in its factories. Deere is leading the charge with productivity-enhancing tools such as 5G connectivity, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and digital twins. That's why Deere's Davenport Works is the recipient of our 2025 Assembly Plant of the Year award. The 51-year-old facility produces a variety of equipment used in construction, forestry, mining, and road building, including dump trucks, log skidders, motor graders, and wheel loaders. The 2.2 million square foot factory in Davenport, Iowa, was selected for our award because of its innovative use of technology across 6 flexible assembly lines. Connected systems have enabled engineers at the factory to boost quality, improve throughput, maximize efficiency, and streamline workflow. Without bulky wiring to deal with, assembly lines can be reconfigured in hours rather than weeks. The plant has implemented a world-class material handling system that ensures that the right part is delivered to the right place at the right time. Consistent material flow practices also enable engineers to address increasing complexity within assembly. The Davenport Works is using AI and machine vision to automatically spot and correct welding defects in real time. In addition, smart fastening tools are used to give operators feedback and alert them that the correct torque has been achieved. A private 5G network in the factory provides the ability to connect multiple devices at once and move more data faster than ever. It enables engineers to deploy a state-of-the-art technology that improves throughput and boosts quality. An in-depth article about the Davenport works appears in the October issue of Assembly. Back to you, Jennifer.
Thanks, Austin. And finally, electronics assemblers must control many environmental conditions, such as humidity and static electricity. But the Tata Electronics factory in Jagiroad, India, has a unique problem to deal with: elephants. The factory is located next to a nature reserve inhabited by Asian elephants. These animals weigh as much as 4 tons, and when they stomp their feet, it causes the ground to vibrate. When products must be assembled with nanometer precision, any vibration can lead to error. To solve the problem, Tata is building a wall around the factory to keep the elephants a safe distance away. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news on assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.